the fire, the flames, the volcano. Yeah, that, radiate. That's nasty.
Over there.
Let us know when you're recording. Okay. We inside the place. We waiting on them to ask us what we want. And we gonna be eating good, real good. Like real good. Yeah. And right now, I'm eating on the sucker. That shit, yeah, eating on the sucker. What you want to say? I don't know. Stop looking at me. Don't look at me. I'm looking. Oh yeah, and then on top of that, we gonna show y'all what we get when our food comes. Yeah.
It's gonna be right here. What do you mean come? It's gonna be right here.
You know what I meant.
You know what you gotta do. I'll get
You get a Pepsi. I want a Sprite. Ooh, look at that. Nah, that came with some water. Oh yeah. You got water. Some water.
Everybody been here before?
Yes.
Alright.
Over here.
Alright, so you know about the hype? They like sweet. What you like to drink?
Open the bird. Pepsi.
Yeah. So what you getting? You getting a Pepsi? I want a Sprite. I'm gonna give you some Sprite. Cause that Sprite is hitting different. It hit different.
How about you, sir? 15.
Look at your Leo.
That was mine. I switched with you.
That's good. You like that?
Yeah, it's not bad.
If Titi over there banging it. Titi like it too.
Mama.
Everybody okay?
Yeah. More fire. More fire.
My friend told me that I need some. They put for her. I don't know.
That was eggs, but scrambled.
Chicken, no egg. It's closer.
I gotta step back for this.
Happy birthday, somebody. Happy birthday to somebody. Hey, happy birthday, somebody. Ginger. Yep. Ginger sauce.
Mom, you call me a firebug? Why you say that? He sure did. Mom, they always do it to me though. It always be me.
Extra garlic butter. I know everybody. Oh, he's a boy. Oh, he's still alive, man. Oh yeah. Do anybody see butterflies today? No. See any butterflies?
No.
No? Do you see any butterflies? No? Butter.
Right
Boy,
there.
extra big boy.
This is what you call fried rice. Fried rice? It's so good. That's real good.
Come on. Hey! Alright, next time. Please do.
I can't.
Come on!
Yard.
Hey!
You almost had it.
You're doing good, baby. One more, baby.
Oh, I can't.
Come on, baby.
Oh, you almost had it.
Come on, boy.
Come on.
Julia has to go.
No?
Go. I'll do it. Yeah. That one.
3, 2. Enjoy your meals.
Hey y'all. We got shrimp, noodles, vegetables,
Rice. And we had some salad and some soup, which was nasty.
The soup was.
It was terrible.
The salad was okay. Then we got some sherbet ice cream.
Period.
And then I got my
I got a glass made.
Anyway,
They gave us this box.
me packing up right now. I'm still eating.
Boom.
We're packing up right now, but I'm still eating my shrimp.
Okay.
We're gonna see y'all.
When we get back to the house.
No, when we get to the
Crib.
no, when we get to the house, the car. See, that is the house. Yeah, y'all gonna see us again. So. Peace. No,
Boom.
no,
There
I
you
rate
I
the
ranked the
food.
food 1.8.
I worked the food 1.100 because it was so good.
Oh, really?
So now we are
But that was
leaving.
bad. But
So
that
now
shrimp,
it was
it was
busting.
fire. It tastes like
So now we leaving.
seafood.
Duh, it was. I want to give it some more suckers.
Okay, you get some more suckers.
So now we leaving, but we gotta make one little stop because I want me some more suckers.
Okay.
I need a garbage. Come on, like it, bro. Yeah. Give me some more suckers.
Okay. Yeah. Good night, y'all. See you later.
Alright, I'm done.